Do you guys want to learn how to rank YouTube videos fast in 2018 so you can start getting more views right now? If so, you're going to want to stick around and watch this video coming up. Hey, I'm Adam, and if you want to learn how to grow your small YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Step number 1, identify your target key phrase. So you're going to want to pick a phrase to target, but how do you come up with that phrase? You can use the YouTube search bar to see what people are looking for. Use TubeBuddy's auto-suggested feature. You type in a topic in the morning frame, and it gives you a bunch of videos, and you can look at keywords and pick one to use to target. Long tail for the win. Yeah, long tail keywords are extremely effective for ranking your videos. I talked about it in my how to write a title video, but a long tail keyword is just a competitive keyword with a longer tail. For example, how to get more views, and then the longer tail in 2018 with a small YouTube channel. So you have your competitive keyword that you'll probably never rank for, with a longer tail making the whole keyword much more easier to rank for. As your video gets more and more watch time, because you're getting views from the long tail keyword, even though it might be less views, you may start to rank for more and more keyword phrases, such as how to get more views or how to get more views in 2018, meaning you'll get even more views because more and more people are searching for those keywords and you're getting more and more traffic to your video. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Look at the competition for each keyword. If you want a super easy way to evaluate the competition, you can use TubeBuddy and you can use Morning Fame. In Morning Fame, you just type in the keyword into the research section and the search tab, and it will tell you how the competition stands next to your channel for views, subscribers, likes, and comments, and relevancy. It will also show you the results and highlight the gateway video so you know if you even stand a chance at ranking. Do you guys want a Morning Fame tutorial? Let me know in the comments below. So guys, you can use TubeBuddy's auto-suggested feature, Morning Fame's keyword tool, YouTube search bar, keyword planner, and a ton of other cool tools like that to help you along this process. Now, next we're going to do tags. You want to come up with relevant tags. Use TubeBuddy's auto-suggested feature in YouTube search to find related tags to your topic. You want to fill up your tag section with relevant keywords such as how to get more views, how to get more views in 2018, how to get more views for a small YouTuber, how to get more views for this, how to get more views with this. See what I'm doing? Repetition. You're keeping it relevant to how to get more views. You also want to have 1 or 2 common keyword phrases such as your channel name and another word related to your channel. I use tube questions with a space in the middle and tube questions without a space in the middle. That will help me get suggested next to my own videos because it shows YouTube that these are all my videos, so they're all related to each other. Now it's time to optimize your descriptions. You want to have your main keyword first. Copy and paste that into the first line of the description. You should already have it in your title, in your tags, and now in the first line of the description. Next, you can have an important link, whether it's to your email list, an ebook, something like that. And then under that, you can write a paragraph. You want to make a paragraph containing all of your keywords and tags in organized sentences. You want the paragraph to make sense so that it can be read by a human being, but you also want it to contain as many of your keywords as possible. I made a video about how to optimize your description to increase the views, the income you get, and a ton of other cool benefits. Click the cards above to go and watch that video right now. Do you take the time to optimize your video correctly? Let me know in the comments below. I wrote an ebook about YouTube SEO that goes more in depth and gives you a step-by-step guide and checklist on how to optimize your videos. In the second line of the description, you can find a link to go and download it completely free if you're interested. Check the description below. If this video has helped you and you want to continue attacking the struggles you face on YouTube, click subscribe by hitting the circle over there, and click one of the videos below to continue learning about YouTube and the ways you can grow your channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.